How to use delivery note settings. First, go to the settings. Then go to delivery note settings. Here you can see default settings. You can modify each settings as per your needs. Let's understand each setting one by one. You can set desired prefix for your delivery note number. This is the first part of your delivery note number. Next, you can set up serial number for your delivery notes. Your new delivery note number will start from this serial number and it will increase automatically for every new delivery note. This is also a part of your final delivery note number. This is how your final delivery note number will look. Set Product HSN Display setting. If you set it yes, then HSN code for every item will be displayed on final PDF. Here, you can customize greeting message for your delivery notes. This is how your top message or greeting message will be displayed on final PDF. Here, you can customize bottom message for your delivery notes. This is how your bottom message will appear on final PDF. Thank you for watching.